Good morning, my dear students. This is Neeraj Kumar, your English teacher. Today as well, I am here to continue reported speech. I hope you will be listening to me very carefully, and the thing that I am going to make you understand, you will be understanding it very positively. So let us start now. So, my dear students, today we will discuss when the sentence of reported speech is second type interrogative, then what are the changes? Let us know. Said or said to becomes asked or inquired. Means said or said to के place पे हम क्या use करेंगे? Will have to use asked or inquired. And after the removal, comma, inverted comma, we'll have to use the given question word. और reported speech में जो question word दिया होगा, whether it is what, why, how, and many others. And after that, we'll have to use subject, then helping verb, then main verb. Alright, so now let's have some examples. With the help of examples, I'll be making you understand. So please just have a look. I said to my friend, I said to my friend, commas begin. Did you? Why did? Why did? Why did you? Why did you help me yesterday? So my dear students, this is an example. Now, as you can see in a reported speech, it is second type interrogative sentence. Why is it so? Because it starts with question word why. क्योंकि ये why से शुरू हुआ है. Alright. Then obviously in place of said to we will use asked, and after the removal of comma inverted comma we'll have to use what as a conjunction. So let us know. I asked my friend. I asked my friend why he had helped HALPD, why he had helped me the previous day. PREVIOUS, the previous day. So please just have a look, my dear students. Here I have changed the given example into indirect speech. Alright. Please wait. It's okay, I have got back now. So I asked my friend. मैंने अपने दोस्त से पूछा था कि क्यों, right? As you can see in the example, means after the removal comma inverted comma I have used why because it is second type interrogative in reported speech, right? And you को मैंने change कर दिया according to my friend, whether it is he or she, right? I asked my friend why he had helped me the previous day. As the tense of reported speech is in past indefinite, so as per the rule, I had to change it into past perfect. The same I did. I asked my friend why he had helped me the previous day. And yesterday changes into the previous day. I hope you understand it. Now let us move ahead. Number 2, the teacher said to the students, the teacher said to the students, comma, inverted comma, start. How will you? How will you complete? How will you complete your homework tomorrow? Question mark, inverted comma, close. So, my dear students, this time as well I have taken one more example for making you understand. Now you can see reported speech is second type interrogative sentence. So now let's make indirect speech. The teacher asked the students, the teacher asked the students how. Now अब हम you को चेंज करेंगे according to the students. Now you becomes they. You they में चेंज हो जाएगा. The teacher asked the students how they, and will becomes would. How they would. How they would complete their. How they would complete their homework. Tomorrow becomes the next day. So please say it once again. The teacher asked the students. Teacher ने स्टूडेंट से पूछा था कि कैसे वे अपना होमवर्क करेंगे अगले दिन. Alright, so I hope this time as well you must have understood this example. Now let us move ahead. I said to my parents, I said to my parents, commas begin. What have they got? What have they bought for me? What have they bought for me from market? Question mark, inverted comma close. Now let's make I asked my parents. I asked my parents what I have got to make a change here. यहाँ पर हम date की जगह you करेंगे. Please. All right. I made a change in my example. I have replaced they by you. All right. I asked my parents what they had bought. B-O-U-G-H-T. I asked my parents what they had bought for me from market. So see it once again, my dear students. I said to my parents, what have you bought for me from market? Now this time indirect speech. I asked my parents. मैंने अपने मम्मी पापा से पूछा था what की क्या. अब ये जो हमारा you है, according to change my parents, it becomes they. What they had bought. अब हमारा reported speech का sentence present perfect में है. यहाँ पर reported speech में what have you and it changes into past perfect. The same I did. They had bought for me from market. So my dear students, I hope you must have understood that how to make indirect speech when in reported speech second type interrogative sentence is there. So this was indirect speech of second type interrogative sentence. Thank you very much.